Who is Gibson? Who is Gibson? Seaman. Come. Kola Barada Shaka Samanda. Your time has come. Your time has come. Sir, the hand of God is upon you. Is upon your family. The hand of God is upon Zambia.
Yes, I'm from Zambia.
Mbala.
Mbala is where my parents come from. That's where my father is.
Mbala.
Yes.
And this is the season of divine rest. So look at me. There is an empowerment upon you to become a kingdom financier. Are you listening? Listen. There's an empowerment upon you. Oh, this man. Wait. Kashata. God wants to empower people to become kingdom financiers. Masakoda. I saw a place around Blue Fontaine, and the Lord said I should pray because something was stolen. I'm talking to you. Something was stolen. This is a lot of money was stolen, and this is gold. I see gold.
Yes.
Gold.
Yes.
Gold.
Yes.
You do gold. I see a lot of gold. And recently, what I'm telling you is not 2 years ago, 3 years ago, just recently, so much money was lost and so much money was stolen, and now you are asking the Lord, how do I recover? Who is Agape?
She's my daughter, my second daughter.
Who is Hannah?
My first daughter.
Patricia.
She's my wife.
Now take 2 steps to me. Open your palm. What you lost, you are getting it back 100-fold. Supernatural supply. Supernatural supply. Supernatural supply.